Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to, the chant that says woo, like this chant.
Go!
Yeah. You know this chant? On some songs I'm sure that you've heard this, on some Amapiano songs, you may hear it. Woo, 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 something like that. So you're gonna need to use groove speed to make that sound. So it's a very, very, very simple. So let me just take it in. Just delete that. So the first step, I'm just gonna take this sample to the mixer. So then I'm just gonna decrease my tempo. Maybe let's put it at 113. I'm just gonna make a pattern on the third step. After that, this is how it is. So I'm gonna show you how to gate it so that it sounds like woo, 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 something like that. I'm sure that you're familiar with it. Just gonna come to the mixer. Just gonna insert groove beat. Then I'm gonna click on the playlist, then click on my pattern, then paste it there, zoom in a bit, and yeah, then switch to song. Then I'm just gonna go back to my mixer, open up groove beat. It's really simple. So all you need is just to come here, like on the volume, and all you're gonna need to do is just click on this quarter beat gate. So click there, should be something like that. Then when you go back to the pattern, you press play, it should sound like that, something like that. So now, okay, we're almost done, because now we're having the so now we need to make space, like just automate it, so that on the fourth note, we just let it breathe, like so something like that. Let's go back to the mixer, click on groove beat. Nah, you don't need to click that. I'm gonna come to this button right here. We're gonna right click there. Then we are gonna create an automation clip. Do that. Go back to the playlist. Just gonna zoom in a bit. So now I'm just gonna need for it to say woo, like woo, 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 woo. I need it like on the fourth one, as I mentioned. So I'm just gonna left click there. I'm just gonna drag it there, so now I'm gonna click at the same line there as the note. So right click, then I'm going to just extend a bit, Then I'm gonna right click here, we'll take it up, I'll take that one down, I'm gonna bring that one the same line as that one so I can close there. So now I'm gonna click space again. Now we will have this sound. So now I'm just gonna copy that, click there, I'm gonna click there also, then click it there. So now we should be having that sound, that woo, that woo, 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 woo. So there you have it. And you can also, I've heard like some songs they also use this type of effect using yeah, using this one also. So I'm just gonna come here, come right there, I'm just gonna drag it over this one so that because we are done with it, so it should sound the same, hopefully. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.